Back in the day, restarting a Chromebook is basically impossible, but today, as long as you are updating your Chrome OS to the latest version, you should be able to restart your device in the same way you are restarting a Windows or Mac OS computer. So if you go to the bottom right corner of the screen, the shelf on the clock icon, you can click it and it should open this interface, and you can click on this sign off or shutdown button, and it should reveal some other options, but you can click the restart icon to instantly restart your device. So this feature is actually new. Wasn't available when people are still using the early version of Chromebook, but if you are updating your device to the latest version, you should be able to see this option, and when you click it, it will instantly turn off the device and then it will come back on again. So that was the first method. There is still another method which I think very interesting, which we are going to do that via Google Chrome. So launch Google Chrome, and in order to restart not only the browser but also the entire device, is you have to go to Chrome and then colon and then slash and slash again and then restart. So if you press the enter key, it's going to restart the device. Again, restart, this is not resetting or factory reset. This is just a regular restart, just turn off and then turn on back again. And when you press that, it's going to restart the device, and I'm not going to do that because I'm still recording this video, but that's basically the command or the URL that you can visit on Google Chrome, and it will instantly restart the device. So those are two ways that you can do to restart your Chromebook device. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.